Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: a phone with NFC and a blank Tag tag, so open your chosen NFC Writer app now. Tap Enable NFC in Settings if it is off, then choose the Write or URL Record option. Enter the exact URL you want to store, avoid redirects and tracking fragments. Once entered, hold the tag to the phone's NFC area as prompted. The app will show progress and confirm a successful write. Make sure the tag stays still until confirmation. Now you handle the middle steps. Select a URI/URL record and verify the payload fits the tag's capacity. Tag 213 is smaller than 216. If you need a specific behavior, add an Android application record or MIME type. This tells phones how to handle the link. You can also add a custom NDEF record sequence for analytics or interstitials, but keep the first record as the URL. Once ready, write and validate immediately by reading the tag back in the app. Finish by testing the written URL with several phones and browsers to ensure consistent behavior. Some devices treat links differently. If you want permanence, lock the tag, but remember locking is irreversible. Alternatively, set a password on writable tags for controlled updates. If you encounter problems, the most common fix is checking tag compatibility and app permissions. Make sure the tag has enough capacity, the phone's NFC antenna aligns, and the Writer app has write permissions. Re-attempt writing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.